everybody, and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Well, today's recipe is a very easy to make and delicious chicken chili fry. We just put a few ingredients together that we always have in our pantry or in our kitchens, and the end result is really some delicious chicken chili fry. You can use this recipe for beef or for mutton too. But for beef or mutton, you'll have to actually cook the beef or the mutton in a pressure cooker, or just boil it till it is nice and cooked, and then you can make this chili fry using the same ingredients. So I hope you like today's recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already by hitting the red subscribe button that you see somewhere here below this video. And once you have subscribed, click the bell, so that way whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's chicken chili fry recipe. So let's begin making this lovely chicken chili fry. So I'm going to start by just taking one medium-sized potato. I've peeled it and I've sliced it into thin wedges, and I'm just going to shallow fry them till they turn a nice golden brown. So once they are golden brown, just transfer them to a plate. Now in the same oil in the pan, we are going to fry about 1 inch of ginger, which I've grated, and about 5 small cloves of garlic, which I've just finely chopped up. Now to this mixture, I'm going to be adding 1 light green chili, which I've chopped very fine. And we're going to saute everything till everything gets nice and fried on a low to medium flame. Now I'm also going to be adding 1 medium-sized onion that I've chopped fine. Saute everything till the onion also becomes nice and translucent. Now we are going to add some boneless chicken breast, which I've cut into small cubes, and we're going to fry the chicken till the chicken gets nice and cooked. Now I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhaniya powder, as well as we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Now I have a recipe for making this homemade cumin powder, coriander powder and pepper powder at home. I'll leave a link below. Now I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We're going to mix everything well together. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. I have a recipe for my homemade garam masala. I will leave a link for that too. So once you add all these lovely ground spices, we're going to mix up everything well together. Now I've also added the potatoes at this point, and now I'm going to add some salt to taste. So mix everything nicely. And then I am going to just add some coriander, which I've chopped very fine, as a garnish. And your chicken chili fry is all ready. So this goes really well with some chapati or roti or pav. You can make a small little sandwich with this in your pav. Just stuff it into your pav. It's delicious. And now as an added bonus, I'm going to be showing you some brownie crumble dessert. So I had made brownie. I have a recipe for homemade brownie. I'll leave it in the description box below. And just a little bit of it was remaining, and my kids were just craving for some different kind of dessert. So what I did is I just took that brownie and I just crumbled it up into pieces and put it into a bowl. Then I took these glasses that I had, in the ones in which you can make a souffle or a mousse. So I just added that to the base, the crumbled brownie. Now it had some walnuts in it, so it was the added bonus. Then I just topped it up with some homemade vanilla ice cream. I have a recipe for homemade vanilla ice cream, a 3-ingredient eggless recipe. I'll leave a link for that below too. And once I put that layer of vanilla ice cream again, I just I pressed it down with a spoon. And then I just added a little more of the brownie crumble. And then just to make it a little more interesting and a little more fancy, I just topped it up with some chocolate syrup. So I had these Hershey's syrup sachets with me. I use them. You can use any syrup of your choice. Caramel syrup too goes very well, or chocolate syrup. Or if you don't have any of these syrups, just take some chocolate, melt it, and just put it on top. And it tastes really divine. And you can just refrigerate this for about an hour and serve it chilled. It's really, really amazing. So I hope you liked today's recipes. I hope you give them a try, and do leave your comments in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. This is Akshata signing off. Bye. Everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's Recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video, and once you have subscribed, click the bell so every time I put up a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.